So, how do you actually get the Apple ecosystem running on your PC without spending 2 grand on a MacBook? Today, I'm showing you how to install Mac OS on Windows 11 using VirtualBox. And it's easier than you'd think. First, you'll need to download VirtualBox, the extension pack, and the Mac OS ISO file. Once VirtualBox is installed, hit New, name it Mac OS, and set the type to Mac OS X with at least 4 gig of RAM and 2 processor cores so it doesn't lag. Create a virtual hard disk of about 80 gigs, then head into Settings, System, and uncheck Floppy while making sure USB 3.0 is enabled under USB tab. You have to run a few lines of code in your Windows command prompt as an administrator to spoof your PC as a real Mac. Otherwise, it won't boot. Once those commands are in, just point the storage settings to your ISO file, hit start, and follow the standard Mac OS setup screen to format your virtual drive using disk utility. It takes about 20 minutes to finish, but once it's done, you've got a fully functional Mac inside the Windows on your PC. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.